Hi friends! So today what we are going to do is we are going to make a fish in the style of um, Kuna Indians Mola art. Okay, so let's see the supplies that we need. We need markers, we need crayons, half a sheet of paper, and I have something to practice draw on. I also have a pencil and eraser. So before we get into the lesson, let's first talk about the Mola art. Mola. The word Mola, what it means is, it means blouse in the Kuna language. But today you call all the panels on which designs are stitched a Mola art. Okay, so the Mola art is by the Kuna Indians of the coast of Panama. What they do is they create a unique art with brightly colored fabric. So let's see how we can make a similar mola using pencils and pencil, paper and marker. Okay, so let's first think of you can choose whatever animal or bird or whatever animal you want. Okay, so I'm going to draw a fish. Maybe you can draw a butterfly or you can just draw a fish along with me. It doesn't matter. I'm going to show you guys how to draw a fish. So I'm going to we all know how to make a fish. That's why I'm choosing how to draw a fish. You start with a curvy line and then make a similar line at the bottom, a smile line and a rainbow. Okay, and then two lines coming off this way and then like that, and then we almost have a fish shape. Let's add the fin like this, like that, a small fin, we have a fish. Okay, so this is how we are going to draw the fish on the paper. Let's make the we are not leaving much space on either side, so I'm going to start with my curvy line. This one, the tail. Now let's draw the fin, the small fins. Separate the head, the eyes. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take a black marker and draw this fish so that you can see. The fins. Okay, I'm going to erase off all the pencil lines now. So here what they do is usually they use different brightly colored fabric to stitch patterns in it, right? So we don't, I don't know, most of you may not be knowing how to do stitch nice embroidery, right? So what we do is we are going to take markers. Okay, so I'm going to start with orange first. Maybe I'm going to go next to this line I'm going to imitate this line. Okay. All these lines we are imitating. They clients. Okay. Now I'm going to switch on to another color. So whatever color you want, go ahead, switch to that color. Okay, this is what I got. So I'm going to outline, do the same thing. If I had got a different color, it would have looked nicer because red and orange are like blending together. Maybe we'll use one warm color, one cold color. That would have been a better. So we are just going to fill these shapes, the fins and the tail with that. Inside we are going to maybe come up with a pattern. Here I'm going to make a pattern. Can you guys see the yellow? Maybe if I color in the yellow, or maybe if I use the marker, you'll be able to see black marker. Okay. So next here, the fins, I'm keeping on repeating, making these lines. Okay. Till I fill this whole thing up. Okay, the body, I'm not doing that. Be this is the tail. There is a little bit more space, so okay, in between, can you see the gaps in between? What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that with black lines. Like I'm going to put another line in between this red and orange also, so that way you can see the red and orange separately. Between these two, I'm going to put black, so my lines show well. Same thing here. Now I'm going to take, maybe make a circle dots. Just making a pattern. nice. Okay. Now let's outline these also. Now what I'm going to do is the inside part we're going to color with the black crayon. No, let's wait for that. So before that, we are going to take these and then I'm going to make lines like this. Thick lines, okay? 5 lines, and then you stop, and then, or the whole section maybe you can use the same colored lines. Okay, so till here. Then this space we are going to use another color. Okay, now here I'm going to use another color. Here, where is another color? Where is the color? Okay, now here. So we are done using the colors with the markers. So I'm going to put the markers away. So usually they are stitched on black or dark fabric panels of cloth. So the in between spaces you can color it black so for it to stand out more. Don't color the eye, just coloring. Don't let the color get on the yellow, it will look not nice. Okay. So in between these lines, the spaces, you're going to color black. The color on top of yellow or lighter color, that is going to look black. If it's a darker color, it's okay. I'm trying to do this lightly so the colors look colorful. because Mola art is a very colorful piece of work. So I don't want it to be dull colored. Let's take the marker, outline my fish one more time to make the line stand out. So that's how it would look in the end. I hope you guys had fun doing this Mola art with me. I had a lot of fun. I would like you guys to take a picture of this and upload into CISO or Clever, whatever your class is using. If you can, I would also like to see how this turned out. So you can also email me your finished work. Okay. So till we meet next time, bye-bye.